This is good. Came out really, it's delicious.
Good.
Really good.
It is good. It is good. It's good. Good dish. Good dish.
You know, oh, hi. Kind of you to join us. You know, we are eating tonight this delicious orecchiette with sausage and broccoli.
Yes, we just cooked this. It's a beautiful dish. Didn't take that long. And if you stick around, we'll show you how we made it.
Yes, let's do it. Well, this is what we need. We're going to be needing sausages, a bunch of broccoletti, some rosemary, some garlic, some hot pepper, orecchiette, and wine. Orecchiette, you know what that means?
No, I don't know what that means. What that means?
It means little ears.
Oh, ears. Yes, okay. Good.
Because of the shape, it looks like a little ear.
Today we're using hot sausage, hot Italian sausage. If you don't like the hot, spicy hot, use the regular one. But today we are using hot spicy.
And you know why, right? Because I'm the spicy one.
Okay. And also we're going to use hot pepper too. So that tells you something. All right. So
one thing, the sausages, we're going to take them out from their casings because it's easier to brown.
okay, let's go cook.
Okay?
Okay, we're gonna start by putting some extra virgin olive oil in the pan. Then we are going to put garlic. Okay, now I put a spoon of hot pepper, and then the sausage. I already took it out of the casing, so break it up.
Those are hot sausages?
These are hot sausages. The good thing about the sausages, you can see there's pepper, there is a little bit of fennel, and it has spices. So you don't need to add any spices into this mixture because the sausages already have those spices. So put that into the dish here. Let me now wash my hands because I handle raw meat.
And you put the water on?
And my water is boiling, so we are going to put some salt into the water. Never forget to put salt. And now we put the orecchiette into the boiling water. They'll cook for about 8 minutes. One stir, and we're gonna let them cook.
So, did you turn the,
Now it is time to turn the fire on. Thank you, Josie. So now we are going to turn the fire on. I did not forget to turn the fire on. You want to wait until you put all of the ingredients here to turn the fire. So now we have the fire on, and as this warms up, we have to put one of the most important ingredients: fresh rosemary. Now,
Rosmarino.
yes, fresh rosemary. Now, you could do without the rosemary, but the difference between making this a pasta dish and making it the pasta dish is the rosemary. It'll give it a better taste and a wonderful freshness. So, again, you can do without it, but I wouldn't.
I agree with you, Carlos.
So, we are going to let this cook for a few minutes. This is going to take about 10 minutes, and by then our our pasta will also be ready. Meanwhile, you want to break up the sausage in a smallest little pieces and mix it up. Now, as this is warming up, the garlic, the rosemary, the sausage, all the ingredients into the sausage are blending together to make this a beautiful dish. So we'll let it cook, and
When do we put the rapini?
well, we put the rapini once this warms up a little. And it's warming up now, so we are going to get the rapini. Now, what do I want to tell them about the rapini, Joe?
Okay, so what you do with the rapini is you using the leaves and the little heads. What you do then after you wash them, you chop them up roughly in a rough, so that way they'll mix better.
Okay, so now
Also, if you cannot find the rapini or the broccoletti, you can use the regular broccoli in this.
right, this is a traditional pugliese from the southern part of Italy recipe. But you can, if you don't find this or you don't want to use this, you can use the broccoli, chop them up in little pieces. It'll give you the same taste. But this is a traditional
From the Puglia region.
So we just put them.
Too many. Don't put them all. Don't put them all.
And we'll wait a minute here as they warm up and
They cook.
And cook. So we'll give it a minute here, and
Can put some salt in it. That
okay,
helps
we'll
them.
put some salt.
That helps them wilt faster. I start smelling it.
And
So this is it's easy.
it's an easy dish. Takes only a few minutes, and you could be eating in the time that the pasta cooks. So now I'm going to add the last ingredient: half a cup of white wine. We're using a Pinot Grigio. Make sure that if you're using wine, you're using a wine that you would drink. If you wouldn't drink the wine, don't cook with it. It's not, it's not going to come out good. So this is a good half a cup of wine. Again, we'll mix it up. And let's check on our pasta, see how it's doing. A couple more minutes. And
Well,
meanwhile, we can continue on cooking. This, as you can see, the greens are really reducing, and it's creating a good, I smell the wine evaporating.
Looks good.
And again, quick, you get all the benefits of the greens, the sausage with all the ingredients into the sausage, so it's a good dish. It's a good dish to have in the fall, in the winter. You can find the rapinis. Again, you can use broccoli if you don't want to use the rapini. But again, good. I think that the pasta is ready. Yes, it is.
No.
Yes, it is. So you give it a little more. And let me just make sure. So now we are going to,
Carlos loves his little pasta scooper.
so we are going to scoop the pasta. Here. And now we are going to mix it. And we are going to mix it. This is why we use the orecchiette, because now the sausage, the garlic, the greens are getting inside that ear, and they're all getting mixed. Oops.
Carlos,
Well,
you're gonna have to clean up.
cooks, chefs don't clean up.
Oh. All right, next time I'll cook, and then you clean up.
You got it.
It looks good, it smells good.
It actually does look good and smells good. So let me give it a taste before. Yes. Okay, that's it. That's it. Now let's go plate it and
Taste it.
taste it. So see you in a minute.
I cannot wait to taste it.
Okay, so while it's warm, before you serve it, you wanna put some cheese. That way, cheese melts into the orecchiette. Mix it up real good. You can put as much cheese as you like. And now we are ready to.
Mi viene l'acquolina in bocca. You know what that means?
No, I don't know what that means. Most people don't know what that means.
My mouth is watering.
Okay, let me get a spoon to wait, so let me get it a little, there you go.
Okay. The orecchiette con rapini or broccoletti.
She's doing the tasting today.
It's very, very good. Delicious. It's the orecchiette are cooked perfectly al dente. The rapini have the taste and spicy the way I like it. The sausages are spicy the way I like it. Carlos, you did a good job.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Now, Josie likes to eat this with a spoon.
No, with the fork.
I'm sorry, with a fork. I don't like a fork because you have to fight with it. I like to use a spoon. That way I can get more of it. Yes,
It's good. It's good.
it's good. All the tastes are there. The hot pepper, the greens is great. So, great dish. Another great dish, Josie.
Yeah. And now,
And now, it's always
chin chin.
chin.
A buon appetito.
Buon appetito. Next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Good. Good wine too. Good mixture. Good.
Let's go eat.
Let's go eat.
Ciao,
See you
ciao.
on the next one. Bye.